Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about steps you can take to become financially independent. So make sure to watch the full video. Cut your expenses. If you're serious about financial independence, you'll need to cut way more than just your daily coffee. Think of it this way, every dollar you save puts you closer to retirement. Alternatively, every dollar you spend puts you further away from early retirement. If your goal is FIRE, you need to slash every expense possible and budget accordingly. Your monthly bills are a good way to start. Take a look at your cell phone and internet plans to see if you can renegotiate a lower price. Cooking more meals and not wasting any food is another easy way to cut costs, especially if you're finding ways to save money on groceries. You could also consider greatly reducing your entertainment budget and focusing on free things to do instead. Start investing. For any type of FIRE plan, you're going to need to become familiar with the basics of investing for Canadian beginners, so you can start earning income from your investments. Since you've already slashed your expenses, you should take that money and invest it into products that can generate income. Learn how to invest in stocks, especially ones that pay dividends, or index funds. Typically, people invest with the mindset that they'll retire at 65. If your goal is to retire earlier, you need to know how much you'll need to retire and ensure that your investments will last longer once you start drawing down on them. That may require you to increase your cash flow and save more or keep investing even after you've retired. Striving for financial independence is not for everyone, but if you can achieve it, you'll enjoy decades of financially secure retirement. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.